Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the reverse wireless charging intermittency on your Motorola Signature smartphone. So first of all, you're gonna have to make sure that the device that you're trying to charge is compatible. So basically if it supports wireless charging, and if either your Motorola or the device you are trying to charge is using a thick case, then remove the case from either your Motorola or from the device that you're trying to charge, or from both of them, and try to align the device on the back of your Motorola in as accurately as you can possibly do it. And also check if the device you are trying to charge is not charged. As you can see, in my case, this iPhone is actually fully charged, so there is no point, it will not work with it. And besides, check the charging level of your Motorola device. And temporarily, you can also go to settings of your Motorola, then battery, where you can also check your current battery level, and disable charge boost. Switch this toggle to the left, make sure that power sharing is enabled, and try to carefully align your device once again. Actually, it might charge. It is actually charging. Okay, so as you can see right now, everything works well. Just try keeping both devices in the same position, and also, as I said before, if some of the devices is using a thick phone case, remove it before charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.